Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don describe the achievement of the Edo State Internal Revenue Services (EIRS) as a plus to the developmental strides of the state government. The Deputy Governor gave this commendation for his office when he holds the management team of EIRS led by his chairman Honorable John Osage Inegbedio. Omobayo talks to the growth of Edo State Internal Revenue Services don dey on steady progress and contrary salute to the state governor Govunor Obaseki for creating the enabling environment for the service to thrive.
The way you have done it is in such a manner that the revenue drive is because we have business concerns around. Those days it used to be maybe servicing from maybe go up to it's no longer like that. So that you are able to take that drive to the doorstep of you decentralize and you have got more staff and they are giving you results. So if you look at the trajectory and the progress over time, you will discover that if I use the word that you are the nucleus of the administration, and you mean so much to us, and we appreciate you and your team. So we are very grateful, and we will try to motivate you the best way we can so that we can even get better results.
For your address, Chairman Edo State Internal Revenue Services (EIRS) Honorable John Osage Inegbedio talk say the service go join body with the Deputy Governor to work for anywhere he need them to assist. And come also here and say the humility of the Deputy Governor don't tell them the kind of person he be.
Thank you for all you are doing. In fact, you have hit the ground running. I see you almost everywhere. You are reaching out to political leaders. You are not staying back in your office and calling for people. Rather, you are the one going to them. Your Excellency, your humility is already telling of who you are. Please keep it up. I want to say, as a service, we will be joining hands with you to work in any way you need us to assist. Anything you want us to do, sir, you have our commitment to it.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.